Are you thinking about buying a fixer-upper? In today's low inventory market, renovation loans are more essential than ever. Understanding the 2026 FHA loan limits in Kitsap County can save you time and money. FHA loan limits were updated to keep financing accessible while managing risk. In Kitsap County, these limits directly impact what you can buy and renovate. This affects your home buying strategy significantly. With FHA 203K loans, you can finance both the purchase price and renovations together. This means a modest rehab budget can push you to or beyond the FHA limit quickly. Choose between two types of FHA 203K loans. The Streamline is for non-structural renovations, while the Standard covers larger structural improvements. Real-world examples show that in Port Orchard and Bremerton, opportunities exist for renovation buyers. In contrast, higher prices in Silverdale may necessitate phasing renovations or looking at alternatives like home-style loans. Focus on health and safety repairs and prioritize improvements that add long-term value. Connect with Clint Edwards today for a personalized consultation.